Let's talk about cooking. Cooking is how people make food at home, usually in the kitchen. People cook every day. They prepare meals for themselves, their family, or their friends at home. Before you start cooking, you read a recipe. A recipe tells you what to make and what steps to follow. A recipe has a list of ingredients. Ingredients are the food and items you need to make the dish. First, you prepare the vegetables. You wash them under running water and cut them into small pieces. Some food cooks in a large pot on the stove. You fill the pot with water and turn on the heat. When the water gets very hot, it starts to boil. You can hear the bubbles and see the steam. Other foods cook in a frying pan. You add a little oil to the pan and heat it on the stove. You stir the food while it cooks. Stirring keeps the food moving so it does not burn. You can add seasoning to make the food taste better. Common seasonings are salt and pepper. You taste the food to check if it is ready. If it needs more flavor, you add a little more. When the food is ready, you put it on a plate or in a bowl. Then it is time to eat. After eating, you wash the dishes and clean the kitchen. This is also part of cooking. Cooking at home is a part of everyday life. Many people enjoy learning to make their own food.